You better watch the premiere of Chicago Fire tonight.
But is that what it's really like? Tom Murray walks in the footsteps of Milwaukee's heroes who put their lives on the line to keep us safe.
It may not always be as exciting as primetime TV, but a day at the local firehouse is definitely not for the faint of heart. Milwaukee Fire's Engine 30, Truck 12, sits at the corner of Teutonia and Locust. And it's one of the busiest stations in the city.
Here we go.
It's 7:30 in the morning, shift change time.
Most people get to the firehouse about an hour early, so that way our gear and our apparatus and everything is all checked and all set to go.
The necessities, some coffee, and a hearty breakfast.
That's good. Thanks. Start the day off right. Like a glacier almost.
There's a little joking around to get the day started, but by 8 o'clock, it's all business. As Captain Joe tells the guys what's on tap for the day.
We have EMT this afternoon for the engine. I'll be switching up with Lieutenant Ponder.
The guys don't have much time to relax before their first call.
Dispatch, this call Street Command. We have an auto fire.
Thanks to their speed and skill, the car fire is out within minutes. Shortly after, it's time for a school fire drill, which includes a fire extinguisher inspection.
Good.
After that, it's off to a training exercise at a vacant house.
We train on a regular basis. I mean, you can never know too much about a job that can kill you.
The new guys are practicing roof ventilation.
After plenty of times of practice, it gets easier, but no, it's never real easy. It's always a challenge.
After a successful training session, the veterans decide it's time to have a little fun with the rookies. It's prank time, but things get serious again quickly. As the guys head out on an EMS call for a person with lung disease. Thanks to the firefighters, the patient is stabilized and transferred to the hospital. After a busy morning, it's time for lunch. All the guys pitch in to buy some sandwich fixings. Then firefighter Dave takes us on a quick tour of the firehouse.
These are our worst enemy in the middle of the night. When you make yourself up these 25, 30 steps, get to this point, and an alarm goes off and you've got to run back down. This is what we call the crow's nest. This is just another area for guys to sit and relax, watch a little TV, read a book. This is our dorm room. This is where everybody sleeps. Welcome to the weight room at Engine 30, Truck 12.
Dave is an 8-year Milwaukee Fire veteran and says being a firefighter is all trust.
If I make a mistake, if I fall down, I know my brothers are behind me and they're going to help me.
He says being in a firehouse really is like a family.
When we're not at work, we all hang out together.
Before we know it, it's already early afternoon, and our day in the firehouse is almost over. But not before a few more runs, including a couple of false alarms and even a stop to pick up a fallen traffic light.
It's like anything, any given day.
We end the day a little after 4 o'clock, checking back on a house that caught fire earlier that morning.
And you can see there's extensive damage. It looks like a 2.5-story duplex.
Luckily, no one was hurt, thanks in part to the bravery of the men of Engine 30, Truck 12.
It's just knowing that no matter what the thing is that you have to face, we're going to figure out how to fix it and get the job done.
As we learned, a day at the firehouse may not be a thrill a minute, but when seconds count, they are there when we need them. Tom Murray, today's TMJ4.